really want to get this fish close to the boat and show you viewers what a marlin looks like next to a 21-foot Southern Formula. Oh, there he is. Oh, there he is. Yeah. Well, there you go. And that's exactly what fishing's all about.
Have a look at the colours on this fish, guys.
Get excited.
Have a look. One of my all-time dreams has been able to grab the bill of a marlin and have a look at me.
Damo, say to our Instagram and Facebook viewers that we've done it in the Southern 21.
We've done it in the Southern Formula 21.
Oh, that is fantastic. Well done, Peddler.
Woo!
Matty.
Yippee!